How to log into Netspend Flashpay account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Netspend Flashpay login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down and head towards this one website option. Send money to friends and family, pay bills, and more. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now, scrolling down, you'll see the option of login to send money now. You have to click on this option. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your Netspend Flashpay account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember username. After you provide all the details, click on login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log into Netspend Flashpay account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.